de pensar que yo contigo quiero estar, quiero probar. But I have my mic. Y'all should know me well enough.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Shay Natural here, and I'm back with another freaking video. I'm back with a video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my DIY banana hair mask. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love this hair mask. Like, I love every hair mask I do, but my top favorite is this one, the hair mayonnaise. Oh my gosh, I love the hair mayonnaise. I love the hair mayonnaise in this one. These two are my babies. Like, I love these two. These are my favorites. This stuff makes my hair feel so soft and nice and easy to manage. Like, my hair feels so soft right now. My hair feels so freaking soft right now. Like, so yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my banana hair mask, and if you're interested, continue watching and let's get into the video.
So the main ingredient I'll be using are 2 bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins. The next ingredient I'll be using is black castor oil. Olive oil. Apple cider vinegar. Coconut oil. And honey. So I'm going to start off by cutting my banana into a bowl. Then I'm going to throw the bananas in a blender and then begin to add in my other ingredients. And you guys, I'm not really measuring. I'm kind of just eyeballing based on how thick and how much hair I have. But overall, I did 2 spoons of coconut oil. A lot of castor oil. I kind of was just pouring there. It looks like an ice cream or something with some chocolate drizzle. A little more than a few drops of olive oil. And then I'm going to pour in about a 1/4 cup of water. And then before adding in the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and blend. There's no particular reason I do this. I don't know. I just do it. Alright, now I'm just going to shake my apple cider vinegar up, and I'm going to add in just a little bit less than a 1/4 cup. And then I'm going to add in a good bit of honey, again like the castor oil I was just pouring. Alright, now I'm just going to blend again until it's nice and smooth. And if you guys don't have a blender, that's perfectly fine. You could just mash the bananas up. Just be aware of the banana chunks that you may have in your hair. Alright, and now it's done. So for an easier application, I'm going to put it in these bottles. And if you guys don't have bottles like this, you could just use a bowl. Alright, and now it's ready and time to apply to the hair. So first, of course, I'm going to take out my bun that I had in for more than a few days. I should be ashamed of myself, I know. But yeah, I'm going to take that out. And then I'm going to split my hair into 2. I'm going to be applying it in 2 separate sections. So once I have one section sectioned off, I'm just going to begin applying the hair mask, making sure I get my scalp, my ends, everywhere, my edges, everything. And I'm also scalp massaging with it as well. And then once my hair is fully coated, I'm just going to twist it back and then put it in a little bun. And now I'm going to do the other side the same way. I just love how this mask just instantly brought my curls out. And then once I'm done applying the hair mask, I'm going to take a plastic bag or a plastic cap if you have one, and then just apply it on my head. Excuse my face. Oh my gosh. And for as less drippage or leakage as possible while this is on my head, I'm going to take a t-shirt and wrap it around a few times. And then I'm just going to wrap the front like a bun. And then to make sure it stays, I'm going to put a scrunchie over it. Alright, and now that we're done, I'm going to leave it on for at least 30 minutes. I usually leave it on way longer than that, so yeah. So y'all, I fell all the way to sleep with the hair mask on. So this is the next day, and this is my hair after washing and before conditioning, and it actually feels really soft. It doesn't feel stripped from the shampoo at all, and I used the Pantene Purple and Gold series. And here's my hair after completely conditioning and washing. There's no product in here at all yet.
Banana hair mask video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or feedback, of course, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section down below. And if you guys like this video, or if it was helpful, or if you guys did the treatment and you just love how your hair feels, give this video a big old thumbs up, and also let me know down in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, love you.
Sudando su cuerpo de mora, te toca la piel, ella y la trompona. Se pone loquita si me escucha en la emisora. Y ahora